What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install DeepSeek locally on your PC. That's right guys, we're going to install DeepSeek locally on our PC. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So we're going to install DeepSeek on our PC. It's going to run privately on our PC, be it Windows, Mac, or Linux, anyone. I'm going to show you guys how you can install DeepSeek on any of those operating systems and run it locally. So it's not going to make use of the internet. Your data is going to be secured, your information is going to be secured, and you don't need to worry about connecting to the internet to use DeepSeek, as it's going to be running locally on your machine, Windows, Mac, or Linux, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm using a Windows machine. So guys, just search for lmstudios.ai. So this is the site, lmstudios.ai. You can go to Google and search for lmstudios.ai, or you can just use this link. The link is gonna be in the description below. So as you can see, we can download LM Studio for Mac, we can download LM Studio for Windows, or we can download LM Studio for Linux. So whatever operating system you're using, just go ahead and download the particular one for your operating system. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a Windows machine, so I'm just going to download the LM Studio for Windows. So guys, I have already downloaded this LM Studio and I've already installed it on my PC. So we're just going to go to LM Studio right now. So we're just going to open LM Studio. So guys, this is how LM Studio looks like. So we're just going to head over to search, and we're just going to search for DeepSeek. So these are all the versions of DeepSeek recommended by LM Studio. There are still more versions of DeepSeek. So depending on your machine, right, you can use the DeepSeek R1 Distill 7B, you can use the 8B, you can use the Coda version 2 Lite. So if you want to use DeepSeek to code, so you can use this version. Okay, so we're just going to go with the 7B guys. As you can see, it's 4.6 gig. As you can see here, we're going to select the Q4. As you can see here, it says based on your hardware, this option is recommended, and this is the option we are going to download, right? So as you can see guys, it's already downloading. So guys, we're going to pause the video right now and wait for it to finish downloading. So guys, we just finished downloading our DeepSeek R1 Distill 14B version locally on our PC, and we're going to test it. So we're just going to go ahead and load this mode. All right, so we're just going to close this. As you can see, it's loading on our PC. So while it's loading, let's just head over to,
if you have any question, let me know in the comment section.
So let's head over to ChatGPT. So I've prepared some prompts for it. So this is the prompt we're going to be asking both ChatGPT. We're going to ask the online version of DeepSeek, and we're going to see whether it's going to come up with the right answer. So the first prompt is, if a plant that doubles its size every day covers a lake in 30 days, how much time will it take for 2 plants to cover half the lake? So this is the first question, or this is the first prompt we're gonna prompt. We're gonna start with ChatGPT. We're gonna turn on the Reason version. So we're just gonna hit enter. So as you can see, it's Reason. So we're gonna head over to DeepSeek. We're going to paste the same question, and we're also going to turn on the DeepSeek R1 version, and we're going to send it. So let's go back to ChatGPT and let's see the answer. ChatGPT came up with the right answer, which is 28 days. Let's go ahead. So as you can, we are still waiting for DeepSeek. Let's see how many seconds it took ChatGPT to analyze. It took ChatGPT 7 seconds, and this is its breakdown. Calculating, and it came up with this answer. So let's head back to DeepSeek. DeepSeek is still thinking. So here it's calculating. So the first question is more of maths, And the second question is more of reason. So let's see whether DeepSeek is going to get it. So this one is actually making use of the internet. We're just going to run the one locally. So as you can see, this one is already loaded. So guys, as you can see here, the online version of DeepSeek came up with the right answer, which is 28 days, right? And it's the same answer with ChatGPT. So let's head over to our locally run DeepSeek. So the next prompt I'm going to be doing is this one. A farmer has 17 sheep, all but 9 died. How many sheep are left? So this is the second prompt that we're going to be doing, right? And we're going to head over to ChatGPT and we're going to ask it the same question with the reason turn on. Just gonna make it enter. Nice. So that was very fast from ChatGPT. Let's head over to DeepSeek. So guys, as you can see, this is our locally running DeepSeek R1. Okay, so as you can see, it came up with the correct answer, 28 days. So this is his thinking process and it came up with the right answer. So as you can see guys, it's not connected to the internet. My system is not connected to the internet. Let's go back to our second question. As you can see, this is the second prompt we gave it, and this is the thoughts for 44 seconds, and it came up with the right answer. So guys, this is how you install DeepSeek on your system locally. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also I'll be showing you guys how you can train your AI model. And just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so that if I release a video, you're going to be the first person to be notified about that video.